Hey guys, David with Design Build Go. Hey, I want to tell you about an exclusive that we've been working on and partnered with Kooks Headers and Exhaust. Kooks is a company that is here in Statesville, North Carolina. And they build, design, engineer, test exhaust systems for multiple high-performance vehicles. And so when I first bought my Grenadier, I figured, man, this super quiet car, probably the quietest car I've ever owned. Wanted to get something a little bit more performance oriented, free flowing, and be able to be a platform to kind of maybe do some tuning in the future, but basically wanted a better tone to the exhaust system, something that lets you hear the shifts, and a little bit of the turbo spool. So I think we know we accomplished that. It took about 12 weeks. We did 5 different iterations, tested with both resonator, on, off, different tip sizes, different volume for the mufflers. So we ended up with one muffler, smaller than the Grenadier original OEM one, and then different size tips and a straight catback exhaust system. So it does bolt all the way from the cat flange that's under the passenger seat all the way back. And so I'll show you an underneath shot of the system, and then we'll do a cold start, and we'll also kind of run you through some acceleration runs that I did with the GoPro. And then I'll be working with Kooks to put out some additional video as we build tooling and whatnot. We're now in the phase of moving to production tooling and should have the systems available roughly middle of September, end of September. So that's what we're shooting for. So this is a quick shot of the stock exhaust system, and you'll notice it has about 2 3/4 inch outlets. You'll see on the Kooks system we brought it in a little closer, and also went with 4-inch tips. They sound quite a bit different. Looks a lot different. One of the key things I wanted to bring up and mention is that this is using all of the factory mount points, and in doing that, it's also very simple to install either on the floor by yourself or on a lift. It doesn't require any welding. So what you get requires minimal additional installation to put it together. That was a key design element in looking at this, is make sure that it can be done relatively straightforward and the system doesn't cost you too much in additional labor. So some of the cheaper kits that you got to weld and put all together, you can actually double the cost of the kit with the additional labor to get it to set right, and custom hangers. This uses all of the stock hangers and whatnot. So take a look underneath. Okay, today we got our Design Build Go vehicle back, Grenadier, with the catback exhaust system made by Kooks. And you'll see, so we refer to catback, here's the flange. Obviously the rest of the exhaust, the cat. And you come back and you can see all of the factory hangers are utilized, where the flanges are. And I'll walk you through. It's pretty easy installation. All the pipes are located. There it is. Come out through the back. And here's our 4-inch Kooks tips. There we go.